Number 1, the safety factor. Let's be honest, most concrete around your home provides walkways for high traffic areas. Sinking concrete can prove to be dangerous if a trip hazard is present around your home. Eliminating these trip hazards around sidewalks, pool decks, and driveways is a safe investment. Number 2, preserve the visual appeal of your home. Broken, sinking concrete around your home is not only a safety concern, it also detracts from the visual appeal of your home. Over time, these areas become unsightly and may be avoided altogether. A little maintenance with your walkways and sidewalks can go a long way in shaping up your home's curb appeal. Number 3, resale value. Potential homebuyers don't want to invest into a perceived problem. Oftentimes, trip hazards are mentioned on home inspection reports during the buying process. When you're ready to sell your home, you want your property to stand out from others on the market. Taking care of your sinking concrete allows you to enjoy the repair and ensures a clean inspection report when you're ready to list the property. Number 4, cost savings. Sinking concrete that cracks and breaks over time can be very expensive to replace. Not only is the cost of concrete expensive, most homeowners don't weigh the cost of tearing out the existing slab, leveling the soil underneath, and pricey equipment rental. Using our concrete raising system, most projects can be completed in one day and are oftentimes much more affordable than concrete replacement. And better yet, there's no unsightly patchwork that's common with the replacement method. Number 5, peace of mind. There's comfort in knowing that the useful concrete around your home is both stable and secure. Don't let the fear of the unknown weigh you down. Call us today for a free inspection for a safer, more secure home. For more information, give us a call or visit our website at afsrepair.com.